Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to show you all how to quickly and easily create brewery pro forma financial projections for your business plan. So in order to get your brewery pro forma financial projections done quickly and easily, I do recommend using my brewery business plan template. In my brewery business plan template, it comes with a Word document, which is the actual business plan, but it also comes with a basic financial model. And if you make just a few easy adjustments, of which I'm going to show you right now, if you make just a few easy adjustments, you can have your customized brewery business plan or a customized brewery pro forma financial projections ready pretty darn quick. So the way the video is going to play out is, first and foremost, going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. From that point in time, we are then going to walk through my financial model that is customized for the brewery industry. And within a few minutes, you're going to be able to see that once you make some adjustments, the pro forma financial projections are going to be ready for you to copy and paste and put into your business plan. All right, so as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. If you all want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own brewery business plan or doing your own brewery financial projections, please feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you, or even do the pro forma financial projections for you, or heck, even do both. Just let me know. Also, I am a published author on Amazon.com, and yes, my books are related to business plan writing, as well as financial statements, understanding them, and completing them. Finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance, so my passions for academics are also aligned with my passion for real-world work, which is writing business plans and creating financial models. All right, enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show. So the star of the show, if you do buy my brewery business plan template, and I will give you a link at the end of the video, but if you do buy my brewery business plan template, you're going to get a couple of documents. You're going to get a Word document, which is going to be this right here, say hello Word document. So this is the work document, and there's a separate tutorial to help you fill that out. And then the second document is going to be the financial model, which is this in the Excel. In the Excel file, you are going to have 4 tabs. You're going to have the information tab. This is where you're going to make your changes. Anywhere in the darker colored cells, these are the cells that you're going to change. And when you update that information in those cells, then your projections will update accordingly. So all this information will update. Your financial highlight chart will update. And then also your pro forma projections monthly for the for next 12 months, this information will update. And then your income statement tab, your projections annually for the next 5 years, all this information will update as well. All right, this seems a little small. Here we go. And one more. All right, yeah, so let's see here. Let's get this a little bit bigger too. Oops, that's smaller. And then finally, okay, so the information tab, this is the heart and soul of my financial model. Any changes that you make to the information page will update to the profit and loss statements as well as the income statements. And on this page, I also provide you all with categories as well. This is your revenue category, your labor, startup cost, fixed monthly cost, miscellaneous information, which is whatever your tax rate is going to be, your growth rates, whatever your growth rates are going to be, you can change those here, and then your loan information. So for the daily sales, what we do is we're going to estimate what your average customer sales are going to be. Number is going to be how many customers you're going to be servicing a day. For this example, we're saying you're going to be working with 67 customers. And then the average price per customer that they're going to drop at your establishment, for this example, $20. And then the variable cost, how much money does it cost you to make to service your $20, the $20 the customer is going to spend. So whatever your variable cost is, you're going to put it right here. All right, once you make these changes, for example, if your per customer price is going to be about $25 and you change it to $25, but your variable cost might be 25%. So you change that, and then as you can see, these numbers right here and the financial models are going to be updating. The next portion is going to be how many days are you going to be working per week. If you're going to be open 7 days, put 7. If it's 6, put 6. If it's 5, put 5. However many days per week you're going to be working, just put it there. Next is going to be the labor. How much money do you want to pocket every month? Put it right here, $3,500. If you want to pocket $4,000, then budget $4,000. If you want to budget $2,000, then budget $2,000. Just make the change right here. And then employees. How many employees? Employees. I'm missing a P here. All right, so for employees, the number of employees, you're going to put it right here. And then for the pay rate average per employee, you're going to put it right here. And then 172 hours, that just averages a 40-hour work week. If they're going to be part-time, to make the change here accordingly. Next is your startup costs. For the first two lines, this is the money coming out of pocket. How much money do you need to spend to get this party started? And I break it up into two categories. Equity investment is the money coming out of your pocket. And then your loan amount is going to be how much money you're going to borrow. So once you make any changes to the loan amount, the $150,000, that immediately updates right down here. So if we have a loan of $125,000, that'll immediately populate right here. And then you can change the interest rate expected in the term. Once you make these changes, then the payment will update, and also that will populate throughout your business plan, your financial model as well, to your 12-month profit and loss, as well as your income statement. The next categories right here, these are just typical categories for a brewery. Feel free to update the titles right here, and then update the numbers here. But for the build out and the working capital, don't make any changes to those, and you're going to put that information right here. But these two titles right here are static, as well as these two here. Monthly fixed costs, each one of these titles are static. They don't change, but your monthly fixed cost can change. So if your rent's going to be $2,000 instead of $1,750, then you'll make that there. And then this chart right here, this is just a bonus chart. It may or may not be here, but if it's there, fantastic. But if you make any changes here, it'll populate there. Next is going to be your miscellaneous information, which is going to be a tax rate. And then these are your growth rates, your sales growth rates and such. All right, so hopefully this information is helpful, and y'all can see that just make some real quick changes to your brewery financial model is going to help you complete your pro forma financial projections pretty darn quick, in my most humble of opinions. All right, so let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. All right, so in summary, if you do want to buy my brewery business plan template, which includes the financial model we just went over, then just zip over to qualitybusinessplan.com/brewery business plan template, and feel free to buy it there. It's downloadable. The brewery business plan template does come with the Word document, which I showed y'all, and it also comes with the basic financial model, which we just went through. Keep in mind, it is not, these documents are not compatible with Google Docs. They are not compatible with Apple products. Also, if you do have questions about the brewery business plan template or financial model before you buy, please pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a great conversation about my brewery business plan template and how it can help you. However, after you purchase the business plan template, there is no free phone support. If you need help finishing that the brewery business plan template, be delighted to do it for you. There is a fee for it. Also, if you do want to, so if there is a fee, if you want me to complete the template for you. However, I do offer you several free tutorials on completing the business plan template and the financial model, and they're free to review or watch, anytime. Just go to my link right here. These are my business plan tutorials to help y'all with your completing the models. And then finally, if y'all don't want to mess around with tutorials, you don't want to mess around with templates, you just want your business plan done, well, I do offer custom business plan writing. All you have to do is just go to my website, qualitybusinessplan.com/business plan prices #3. And at that link, I do have several affordable business plan packages you can purchase and have me write it up for you. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.